What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to disable or enable hardware acceleration in Opera browser. So what you want to do after you open Opera browser is to go to top right corner and you're going to click on Opera icon. Then here you're going to go down till you see the option for settings and you're going to open settings. Then you're going to scroll down here in settings and you're going to click on advanced. Again here you're going to scroll down till you see the settings for system. As you can see, the system is right here, so we have the option to use graphic acceleration when available. Now it's turned on because this oval is blue, so all you got to do to disable it is to click on right here on this oval, and as you can see now it's gray. So all you got to do left is to click on relaunch, and then the settings will be turned off. And if you want to enable it, you're going to do the same thing again, but the oval has to be blue. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.